unravel the code of life. Deep within every living cell lies a masterpiece of molecular engineering. DNA replication is the process that copies our genetic blueprint with astounding precision and care. It begins at specific sites known as origins of replication, where the double helix is primed to reveal its secrets. Imagine the DNA as a tightly coiled spring, waiting to be unfurled. This is where helicase takes center stage, using its energy to unwind the strands by breaking the delicate hydrogen bonds. As the two strands separate, single-stranded binding proteins quickly stabilize them, preventing any accidental rejoining. This ensures that the blueprint remains open for the intricate dance that follows. Next, DNA primase enters the scene, laying down short RNA primers that serve as the starting lines for new strand synthesis. With the stage set, DNA polymerase III steps in to extend the strand by adding nucleotides in an orderly 5' to 3' direction. On the leading strand, this synthesis happens continuously, like an artist smoothly painting a perfect gradient. However, the lagging strand presents a unique challenge. Here, the process occurs in small segments called Okazaki fragments, each needing precise assembly. DNA polymerase I then meticulously replaces the RNA primers with fitting DNA nucleotides while maintaining the fidelity of the genetic message. DNA ligase finally seals the gaps, ensuring that the fragmented pieces transform into an unbroken masterpiece. Meanwhile, topoisomerase works diligently ahead of the replication fork, relieving any tension and preventing supercoiling, thus safeguarding the integrity of the entire process. Every enzyme plays its dedicated role in this beautifully coordinated system, resolving the complexities of replication with scientific precision. With each cycle, the cell replicates its genetic material, perpetuating life and passing on vital instructions for growth and repair. This dance of enzymes not only highlights the elegance of biochemistry, but also offers us a glimpse into the miraculous processes that make life possible. Understanding this intricate choreography is fundamental for anyone diving into the world of biology. Embrace the wonder of DNA replication as you explore its mechanisms and appreciate the marvels of cellular machinery. Knowledge of this process empowers us to unlock the secrets of life itself. In every cell, this endless cycle of replication reminds us of nature's unwavering precision and resilience, forging the foundation upon which life continually evolves. Celebrate cellular brilliance. Witness the marvel, explore, learn, and be inspired.